How to download and install an AI Flashcard app on iPhone. First of all, open the App Store on your device and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Knowt AI Flashcard app and wait for the results to appear. Next, find the official app developed by Knowt. Once you have located it, tap the Get button to begin downloading. Depending on your settings, you may need to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After the download starts, wait for the installation to complete. The app will appear automatically on your home screen. When it's ready, tap the app icon to open it. The first time you launch the app, you may be asked to allow certain permissions, such as notifications. Adjust this according to your preference. From there, you can create a new account with your email or simply log in if you already have one. Now you know how to download and install Knowt AI Flashcard app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.